Hi, I'm Greta from Attention Insight. In this video, I will compare 3 posters that have the same message, yet a different layout and colors. These are posters for home office recruiting by Preis und Preis, German advertising agency. They all depict a human with a house as a head, stating "Enjoy the real home office," representing an adult who works from home. The home in the images consists of a child playing around, children toys, cleaning products, television remote control, and finally, work from home devices, such as tablet or laptop, which all represent a multitasking adult surrounded by many duties and distractions that they face when having to work from home. The posters have headings: Non-stop Community Manager, Always on Channel Marketing Specialist, and Next Level Business Coordinator, which are all ironic statements to a life of a freelancer or a person working from home. Let's generate a heat map and see which layout works the best for this concept. In the first image, we can see that the objects a viewer would see first are the house head, the child's face, the heading, and the slogan, and the warm colors are situated more towards the upper side of the poster. Let's generate a heat map again. In the second poster, the heat map is spread across the whole image. The most viewers' attention goes to the person's head with the main slogan, child's face, the sofa, and the toy puppy. In this case, the heading is not the object a user would notice first. Okay, one more heat map. Looking at the third poster, according to the heat map, the house head with the main slogan, the headline, and the laptop on the table are the objects most noticeable by users. Now let's go to the Attention Insight website and see the percentage of attention that each object gets. In the context of all the artwork, go to app.attentioninsight.com and enter your login details. Now you can see that the posters edited on the Adobe XD software have automatically been transferred onto the system. We will compare the posters in relation to 2 most important objects pictured: the house head with the slogan and an electronic device which associates with work from home. Let's select one of the posters. I will draw area of interest on the house with the main slogan and press Calculate Attention. The artificial intelligence says that it's 17%, which means that this much attention out of 100% of all the image the object got. Also, let's see how much attention the tablet gets. It's 0%. I will do the same on the other posters. In the second one, the house with the main slogan got 10%. I will draw a rectangle on the laptop and see what the system says. It's 2%. Let's look at the last poster and draw the area of interest on the same 2 objects. Here, the amount of users' attention the slogan and the laptop got is 11% and 16% respectively. As we see from the results, the third poster gets the biggest percentage altogether for the 2 objects that we compared in the posters, as well as the heat map in the third poster depicts the right objects as the most noticeable by users. We come to the conclusion that the third poster works the best for this concept. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was useful for you in your discovery of new tricks for a better design.